something in partnership. So, the company,
Lagi naman.
so, ang kumpanya, dapat alang-alang or maganda na yung company is merong vision or mission and values. A global provider of premier product as you know, meron tayo 10 branches worldwide. So, di ba, palakahan natin yung ating company. Ang mission naman ng company natin is help people live their lives. So, di ba, yan yung nakakatuwa eh. Talagang
auto-ship niya na lang.
yung tao.
Kasi yung iba
Talagang ang sarili. So, di ba, yun yung sa mission, natin makikita o nararamdaman